Hey y'all, welcome back to RXK. It's Kim and I'm here with my 11/12 month lock update. Yes, you heard correctly, 12 months, 365 days, 1 whole year that I have been committed. Yes. In this video, I'll be showing some pictures of my 11-month lock maintenance and letting you guys know what happened. I'll show you a 360 video of my 12-month lock maintenance, and I'll be letting you guys know what I'm doing going forward and what's going on right now. So if you're interested, keep watching. So let's hop right into it. I'm gonna start with the photos of my 11-month lock update. For that lock update, I got it retwisted with just water and castor oil. The loctician that I went to, she was very gentle, very kind, and she gave a lot of good information and actually helped me to develop a new perspective on maintaining my hair. So when it comes to retwist, I really like my hair to be neat. And then as the time goes by, I don't mind if my hair gets fuzzy because they're locks, you know, that's what they do. But when I get a retwist, I want it to look like I got a retwist. With that being said, I like for a comb to be used to retwist my hair to make sure all the hairs are where they need to be and the parts are as clean as possible. But I know that when I was getting my hair retwisted, I would hear a little bit of popping and breaking when the stylist would be trying to separate my locks from each other. Because when I tell you guys I don't do anything to my hair in the comments, I really mean it. Like, all I do is get in the shower let the moisture hit it, not wet it, but let the moisture from the steam in the shower get in contact with my hair, and if it feels dry, I'll put this oil on it. But other than that, I don't really do styles. It looks like this most of the time. So yeah, when I do get a retwist, and by the time I've sweated and worked out, my roots are like a baby fro. So that means my locks are kind of stuck together. And so when they're trying to retwist my hair and redefine my parts, separating the locks does, excuse my nails, but separating the locks does cause minimal breakage. Now, she brought to my attention that over time, that constant or consistent breaking or separating of the locks is breaking away little hairs each and every month, and eventually my locks could be weakened. So she brought up that interlocking would be good for my 12-month mark. So I thought about it over the course of that month, and I decided to go through with interlocking for my 12-month lock maintenance. So back to the 11-month, you'll see that my hair was not that neat, and I think that's because that was my first time getting my hair retwisted with castor oil, and I don't think it really lays my hair down really well. In the past, I've gotten it retwisted with other oils, like coconut oil is what I use when I retwisted it myself. And unfortunately, when I went to another loctician, she didn't disclose exactly all the oils that she used in her self-made concoction, but it really had my hair slick, and I wish I could tell you guys. But do not fret, I'm going to keep experimenting, and I'm going to keep combining different oils, and I'm going to figure out what works best for my hair. So yeah, besides that, the only other thing was besides the definite decision to interlock at 12 months, I noticed that those locks that were in the back that were once thin, they're the ones that in all the other lock updates gave us a really hard time. They kept unraveling, and they were thinner because of the hair texture back there and the hair density. But they ended up needing to be combined. So I combined 2 over here, 2 over here, and so now across the back I just have a total of 3. I don't mind those being bigger than the rest because 1, they're in the back, and 2, that hair is different from this hair that's in the middle that's way sturdier. So I don't want any locks falling out here. But besides that, nothing too significant to report for our 11-month mark. So let's get straight to 12 months. Right now I'm showing you guys a video, a 360 video of what my hair looked like after I got an interlock for the first time. You can see that it lays completely differently from what it looked like at the 11-month mark with a simple retwist. So that's something that I would consider a pro of interlocking. Like it's easy for me to move my hair, you know, left and to the left and to the right, you know, and it'll stay, as opposed to when my hair is retwisted and whatever direction it's going in, it kind of like stays that way because of the direction that it's twisted in. So that's my pro. Also, I really appreciate that the stylist I went to, she didn't do it too tightly, and I was really worried about that. But like when the service was over, I could still feel like a little bit of space between my root and the, you know, the interlock knot, which was good, because sometimes I see people's scalps that are red and like they try to squeeze that tool through an extra time when it shouldn't really go through an extra time. So I'm like, but I didn't have that experience. I also am showing you guys some pictures of how much of my hair after the 1 year mark of solely retwisting was unlocked. So pretty much it was like half of the lock was locked and the other half was new growth. And because there was so much new growth, that interlocking session actually took a really long time. One thing I noticed about the interlocks is that they definitely, excuse my hair, I do need to wash it. So that's what the interlock part looks like. And then this is what the palm roll part looks like. And at the end you can still see like I kind of got some curl action going on, but it's not really curls, it's more like budding because it's firm. But yeah, you see where the interlocking began. I know that even interlocking swells, so it won't always be that skinny. Yeah, so also interlocking brought to my attention how weak these locks around my edges are. There I have some buildup that I need to get out, and I will do it when I wash my hair. But this is just not the strongest. So I'm really considering combining it. I don't really want to combine it with the one behind it because the base of it is thicker, and then that would make for a really big lock. Wait, I'm sorry, that was the wrong one. This is the one. So at this angle, you can see that it's not connected to a lot of hairs, and it's way thinner than this one was. Let's see if I can compare the two at the roots. You see how far down this one goes, being skinny, and then this one is just kind of here at the front. And now let's compare it to one at a stronger part of my hair. See the difference between the interlock part on thicker, stronger hair versus these two where my hair is thinner. So what I'm considering doing is combining these two. But my fear is that it'll end up being too thick of a lock right in the front of my hair. But we shall see. We shall see. I'm gonna film me retwisting and potentially combining my locks. But yeah, so right, I guess what I'm saying is that the interlocking brought to my attention the need to combine these ones on my edges. And it may be perfect because even on this side, this one. It's pretty thin. So perhaps I would combine it with this one in the front, or nah, that one's too full. So I would probably combine it with the one in front of it for more support. And then that way, at least it would be even, and you know, I have big locks on both sides, so it balances out. Besides that, I would also say that I'm feeling more brave about retwisting my own hair now that it's interlocked, because it's not so much new growth and the locks aren't so stuck together. So yeah, I think it's gonna be a breeze to wash it. I was really looking forward to washing it myself and retwisting it myself once the loctician told me, you know, I could wash it as many times as I want with interlocks. And that's definitely a pro, because with the palm roll, I would not wash it until the 1 month mark rolled around, because I did not want to have to try to separate and retwist that hair by myself at all, because I have too many locks. But that's it for the 12-month update. I'm gonna give you guys a 360 of today, what it's looking like. was a 360. I tried to slow it down that time because I noticed that every time I do a 360 on all those other videos, I'm always like touching it or moving too fast and people can't really see. So here you are. All right, so now what I'm gonna be doing going forward, now that we have made it to the 1 year mark of nurturing and being patient with these babies, we're gonna start getting creative, but still safe because we want to keep them healthy. I'm gonna start experimenting with styles and trying different products. I'm doing product reviews. I'm gonna be doing some color for my birthday in December, so look out for that. And I'm gonna be making this channel also more comprehensive to reflect what my logo is. So it's beauty, it's hair, it's wellness, and fashion. So I am a personal stylist and I am a group fitness instructor. So I will be sharing some things about, you know, what I'm doing, what my fitness goals are, some new workouts or my favorite new moves that I learned. And I'll also be talking about my vegetarian lifestyle, kind of motivate people who are also on this same journey with me. I said that I was a personal stylist, so I'll be doing some lookbooks and some clothing hauls from different stores and things like that. And I will be dibbling and dabbling in makeup. I'm not a makeup artist, but you know, it completes the look, so you guys can try stuff out with me. And I think it's cool to get like a person like me to give an honest opinion on a product, because I'm not a professional, so you'll kind of see what it'll look like in real life versus, you know, somebody who's highly skilled doing it or using a makeup product. And yeah, so we're gonna be talking about everything. I got a lot of journeys going on: fitness journey, health journey, hair journey, everything. So yes, I also owe you guys, acne journey, child acne journey. Now, it may not look like I have an acne journey right now, but that's because it's the grace of God, okay? These products I've been using that I'm gonna show you guys on an upcoming video, they're actually products that I have been using for a year, got them from an esthetician once, and I've been hooked ever since, and now I sell them on my website. So I'll be sharing all these type of things with you. So thank you for watching. If you have specific questions or video requests, please put them in the comments, because I always want to provide what you guys need, because I know what it's like trying to venture out into something new or trying to do something by yourself and just trying to get, you know, some experience, somebody else's experience or advice to help you along the way. So if you have something that I can help you with, put it in the comment box and I will try my best to help you. All right, that's all for now. I will see you guys later.